Welcome to the next part of our FAA Part 107 training course. Today we will discuss the right-of-way rules. The remote PIC, pilot in command, has the responsibility to remain clear of any obstructions and yield the right way to all manned or unmanned aircraft. This is known as see and avoid. The remote PIC must know the location and flight path of the small unmanned aircraft at all times. Be aware of all other aircraft, property, or persons in the vicinity of the open area. Be able to maneuver the small unmanned aircraft to avoid collision and prevent other aircraft from having to take evasive action. Avoid operating anywhere where the presence of his or her unmanned aircraft may interfere with operations at the airport, such as corridors and taxiways, runways or helipads. Now, let's test your knowledge. Which aircraft has right-of-way over the other traffic? A. Airplane. B. A small unmanned aircraft. C. A quadcopter. The answer is A. What action should the pilot take if a collision is anticipated? A. The manned aircraft pilot should give way to the right. B. The remote pilot should adjust the small unmanned aircraft course. C. Both pilots should give away to the right. The answer is B. The remote pilot should adjust the small unmanned aircraft course. If you got all the answers, then that is great. Thank you for attending this short lesson from Double Axis.